Good afternoon, beautiful Bravehearts. I'm just out in Barrie, Ontario, in Toronto, just doing the Wolfe Non-Surgical. We're doing the Wolfe Non-Surgical training course right now, and I have a bunch of beautiful practitioners in here. Some new, some not. Some are already practitioners in their own practice. I have a massage therapist. I got a chiropractor. I have 2 estheticians, and there's just a bunch of different people, and then there's a couple just regular people who just want to learn non-surgical, who want to upgrade their level, just get another tool under their belt and learn what is actually causing those underlying issues that you have been complaining about for so long. So I'm just going to give you a little taste of what's kind of going on. It's their first day, so they're just getting comfortable in the technique, learning how to actually do the Wolfe Non-Surgical and feel what actually scar tissue is about. So I'll just give you a little. So we have a bunch of beautiful practitioners in here, and you know what? It's weird. Those windows you can see outside of, but you can't see inside. So that's all covered. But yeah, so right now they're just learning the techniques. We haven't gotten into any full body parts yet. Tomorrow we're going to be learning the upper back and the low back, and I'll be showing demos throughout the week of what I do and how I get in there and pull apart that scar tissue, crystallization, and adipose tissue to cause those contractions. And so if you guys are wanting to kind of learn something like this, get a tool under your belt, live pain-free, get your family out of pain, become the best practitioner you ever wanted to be, go check out braveheartnation.com. We travel all around the world. I teach courses in India, Hong Kong, Australia. I'm going to be going to Singapore and Bali at some point this year, hopefully if I can squeeze it in there. But we jump around everywhere, from the States to Canada, all through North America. It doesn't matter. If this is something that kind of sparks your interest, check us out. Maybe meet us in one of the places we're training, and we'd love to meet you. We'd love to train you. And I'd just love to show you how to live a pain-free, happy life and know that you are the master of your own destiny. So stop fooling about and have the best day ever.